Today I'm going to be showing a little shortcut on how to link new bookmarks to your Google Chrome web browser. So we're going to be going through how to actually drag and drop any links you might have open on your browser and make them into bookmarks and attach them directly to your bookmark bar. So we're going to start by opening up Google here on Google Chrome. So let's just say Wikipedia. Let's say I want to search something on Wikipedia here. And let me just open it up. Let's say I want to make the Spanish Wikipedia page a bookmark. All I have to do is just drag this hyperlink over to our bookmark bar, and you see when we drag it over our bar, there's a little plus sign that appears. Release pressure on our left mouse cursor. We can see that the link is now posted in our bookmark bar. So it doesn't matter if I went to Google or left a page or something. If I left click on our new bookmark, we can see that it has been saved to Google Chrome. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.